Hello again. Told you we would be back. So, we did the cilantro lime rice. You may have seen the video, or at least a photo of me trying to chop the cilantro into, fine maneuverable pieces of cilantro. Anyway, so we did cilantro, lime, brown rice, brown enriched rice. Very, very healthy for you. It's right now simmering. It's pretty well done. I just kind of want it to marinate in the flavor of the cilantro while it has a little bit of heat. All right, so far we have that. We also have the steak fries I told you we were doing. And these are the most fresh ones. Oh my gosh. Woo, it's hot. Ow, ow, ow. Yum. I'm a dork, I know. So next we're going to do the chicken fingers. Stay tuned, guys.